In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an extra lot to one of your trading bots. Obviously, make sure that you're on the screen where all your robots are active, and then identify the robot that you want to add another lot to. Come up to this Hamburg menu here in the top right hand corner of the bots panel. If you have your bots view on list, then you'll find that Hamburg menu just there. So you click on that, that will open up this pop-up. And then what we want to do is go to edit the robot. From this screen, we're going to click on expert mode. Now, if your bot is a decentralized bot, make sure that you've got the correct wallet added. As you can see here, this is not the correct wallet because it's got this symbol, this red triangle. So I need to change my Metamask wallet to make sure I've got the right wallet. If it's a Binance bot, then you won't see the wallet connected at all. So I'm just going to come up to my Metamask and change over to the correct wallet. And you can see now, changing it to the correct wallet, that red triangle has gone. So now what we're going to do is scroll down the screen and add the extra lots. So as you can see, I've got lot 0 and lot 1. And to add another lot, I just need to click on this plus sign and you'll see that it's added that lot. Of course, you can edit these settings if you wish. And if you want to add another lot, you just click on that plus sign again. Once you're happy that you've added enough lots and you're happy with the settings that you've adjusted here, you can either adjust them or leave them at the default settings. Then all you need to do is to come up to the top and click on save. And you want to make sure that your bot is on infinite mode so that it can use those extra lots. And if you're on the list view here, you'll see there's these two green arrows that go around in a circle to show that it's on infinite mode. If it's got a different symbol, then it's not on infinite mode. And then if you're on the list view, the best way to change it to infinite mode is to see it on the tiled view. And then you can click on this icon here and you can make sure it's set to infinite mode. So if it was on sell only, I would change that to infinite. And that's how easy it is to add more lots to your trading bots. Happy trading.